Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through how to turn on email notifications for updates about your posts on X, right from the web version on your PC. If you want to stay informed whenever your posts get attention, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it using the latest update. First, open x.com on your browser and log into your account. Once you're on your X homepage, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Notifications. When the Notifications page opens, go to the top right corner and click on Settings. This will take you to your Notification Settings page, which is where you can manage exactly what types of alerts you receive. Next, click on Preferences. From the Preferences section, select Push Notifications. Even if you're on PC, this section now controls various notification options, including updates about your post performance. Now, scroll down to the section labeled Related to You and Your Posts. Here, you'll find an option that says Updates about the performance of your posts. To enable notifications for post updates, simply check that box. That's it. From now on, you'll receive email alerts whenever there are new updates about how your posts are performing, whether it's impressions, engagements, or overall reach. This new feature makes it easier to track your impact without constantly refreshing your dashboard. It's particularly useful for creators, brands, or anyone who wants to keep up with their audience's response in real time. If you manage multiple posts or campaigns, these notifications can help you spot what's working and adjust your strategy faster, giving you more control over your content performance. So, give it a try and make sure you're taking full advantage of the latest X update. Turn on email notifications today and never miss an important insight about your content.